The Talk is welcoming a new host following Sharon Osbourne's controversial exit. The CBS daytime show on Wednesday introduced actor Jerry O'Connell as its new permanent co-host, alongside Amanda Kloots, Elaine Welteroth, and Cheryl Underwood. "It's real exciting," O'Connell said in the episode. "First of all, I want to say, you ladies have been so welcoming to me. I mean, I came here as a guest months ago, and just from the moment I walked in, you're just gracious, you're kind, you're fun, and it worked. And here we are. We're going to have a lot of fun, we really are." O'Connell is best known for his roles as Quinn Mallory in the TV series Sliders, Andrew Clements in My Secret Identity and Derek in Scream 2. He currently voices Commander Jack Ransom in the animated TV series Star Trek: Lower Decks. In a statement, executive producers Heather Gray and Kristen Matthews said O'Connell, as the show's first full-time male host, will bring a unique and entertaining perspective to the conversation. "We loved his infectious enthusiasm, humor, openness and insights as a guest co-host and look forward to him now bringing those dynamic qualities to the show every day." Sharon Osbourne leaves The Talk following heated racism discussion. Cheryl Underwood discusses Sharon Osbourne drama in Race and Healing episode. Osbourne left The Talk show in March after The Talk went on hiatus to investigate her controversial exchange with co-host Cheryl Underwood. During the exchange, Osbourne said she felt as though she was about to be put in the electric chair because I have a friend who many people think is a racist and that makes me a racist, referring to Piers Morgan, her former America's Got Talent co-judge, who said he didn't believe a word of Duchess Meghan and Prince Harry's tell-all interview with Oprah Winfrey. Morgan quit his co-hosting job with Good Morning Britain after his comments sparked viewer complaints and an investigation. The events of the March 10 broadcast were upsetting to everyone involved, including the audience watching at home. As part of our review, we concluded that Sharon's behavior toward her co-hosts during the March 10 episode did not align with our values for a respectful workplace, CBS said in a statement at the time. In her first TV interview following her departure from the show, Osbourne told Bill Maher she was angry and hurt. Osbourne and Maher shared a conversation rich in personal grievance and hand-wringing about cancel culture but little in the way of accountability and soul-searching. Sharon Osbourne speaks out after exiting The Talk in racial controversy. Piers Morgan doubles down on Duchess Meghan's Oprah interview. Contributing, Rasha Ali, Elise Briscoe, Sydney Henderson.